Whoa! Did he make a juicy turkey? I think I did. I am a juicy turkey. Today, we're gonna smoke us a 20-pound Amish turkey. Every turkey needs a name. We're gonna call this turkey Leroy. And guess what? We're not gonna wash it. If they wanted you to wash your turkey, it would say on the instructions to wash your turkey. And take out your little bag of goodies. Let's see if Leroy's hiding something else. What you got, Leroy? Oh, Leroy. I think there's something else in here. Oh, that's the giblets. All right, so now we're gonna cut the spine out of Leroy and we're gonna spatchcock this bird. You can see old Leroy's spine may have been a little crooked. He may have had scoliosis, but that's okay. We're still gonna eat him. You're gonna need a really sharp knife. Cut right down the spine. You can also use some really sharp scissors. Come on, Leroy. Hang on. And sometimes you need one of these. Easy as that. All right, so a spatchcock, you want to cut through the sternum. So get your knife. We're gonna go down. Go on and coat the inside with a bunch of sriracha. And let's open up our Dano's hot Chipotle. Like Thanksgiving every day. Rub it all around, and we're gonna heavily coat with the Chipotle. Now we put our bird on our RecTech pellet smoker. Probe in, pull it through, right in the thick part of that breast. Now we're gonna grab the bull by the horns, close the lid, let it cook at 275. We'll see you in a bit. A little spritz of apple cider. I wish y'all could smell this right now because it smells amazing. We ran out of pellets. I forgot to check it because the thing holds 20 pounds. All right, our RecTech did real good again. We're to an internal temperature of 163. We're gonna pull it and let it sit. It'll come to temperature. We're gonna cut into it. When it's dripping clear, we know we're done. Ooh wee. Juicy, juicy. And that right there, my friends, is some juicy turkey. Yum, yum, get you some. Mmm.